Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tools for your home and garden. Today, we're talking about the best wheels for weed trimmers, the FellDen string trimmer wheel attachment. This 20-inch adjustable height support wheel is designed to make your lawn care experience much easier and more comfortable. If you're tired of straining your back and shoulders while trying to control your trimmer, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Let's take a closer look at why this wheel attachment is a game changer. First off, it's adjustable to fit your height. The overall height is 20 inches, which is perfect for people who might struggle with shorter support stands. Other options only go as high as 13 inches, requiring you to bend down while working. This height adjustability makes sure that you can work without unnecessary strain on your back, helping to keep you comfortable for longer periods. Now, let's talk about stability. The FellDen trimmer wheel is designed with a wider base for greater balance. The bottom of the wheel features an oxidation-resistant aluminum U-bracket that extends to 14 inches, giving you a low center of gravity. This helps prevent tipping while you're walking behind your trimmer, ensuring it stays upright even as you move around. Plus, the reinforced wheels are built to avoid wobbling, which makes your job more stable and controlled. One of the standout features of this wheel attachment is the way it helps share the weight of your mower. Instead of putting all that pressure on your hands and shoulders, the wheels take some of that load off, which reduces discomfort. The wheels are light enough that you won't feel like you're adding extra weight to your mower, yet strong enough to support the trimmer effectively. Another important aspect is the compatibility. This wheel attachment fits most straight shaft weed whackers, edgers, and mowers on the market. The shaft tube accommodates sizes between 25mm to 34mm, making it versatile for a wide range of machines. Whether you have a gas or electric brush cutter, this wheel is ready to work with your setup. Installation is simple, too. The package includes all the tools you need, and with a quick look at the instruction manual, you can have it set up in no time. The process is easy and straightforward, saving you time and effort, so you can get back to tending to your lawn. All in all, if you're looking for a way to make your weed trimming job easier and less painful, the FellDen string trimmer wheel attachment is the perfect addition to your toolkit. With its adjustable height, greater stability, and ease of installation, it's the best wheel for weed trimmers that's sure to improve your lawn care experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great product reviews from Product Critique.